What is the actions to be taken if the purchase order and the good received do not match? If the purchase order and the good received do not match, the following step can be taken. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. First, identify the discrepancy. The first step is to identify the specific discrepancy between the purchase order and the good received. This may include differences in quality, quantity, or the goods themselves. Number 2, record the discrepancy. The discrepancy should be recorded on the receipt note, including details such as the supplier, the good received, and the nature of the discrepancy. Number 3, notify the supplier. The supplier should be notified of the discrepancy as soon as possible. This can be done through the ERP system or by contacting the supplier directly. Number 4, resolve the discrepancy. The discrepancy should be resolved in a timely manner. This may involve returning the goods to the supplier, negotiating a credit or refund, or placing a new order for the correct goods. And the final point is update the inventory. The inventory should be updated to reflect the resolutions of the discrepancy. If the goods were returned or a credit was received, the inventory level should be adjusted accordingly. So, it is important to address discrepancy between the purchase order and the good received as quickly as possible to minimize any disruptions to the business. A clear and detailed process for handling discrepancy can help you to ensure that they are resolved efficiently. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.